Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm here to announce a couple of our non-QM programs. The non-QM programs are the programs where a borrower cannot qualify on a full doc loan, and so we have some alternatives for that. A few years back, there used to be, they call it stated income loans, and those categories used to be the alt doc loans, the alternative doc loans. So now this is a new thing, non-QM. But as compared to those stated income programs, we still have to prove the ATR, the ability to repay. So the borrower should show the ability to repay the loan, but instead of doing the regular stuff like W-2s or pay stubs, or for self-employed, the banks, the tax returns and all, we have some alternatives for that. So I'm going to roll down some 3 programs today, which helps the self-employed borrowers who cannot show their income. They have more expenses, but they have a regular income. So they have a little easy way to go. So the first program what we have is called 1099 program. So 1099, if you are self-employed and you're getting paid on 1099 from your employer or employers, like if you work for, let's say if you're a taxi driver or if you're a truck driver, worker or handyman, you're getting paid by 1099, but you don't get W-2s. And then in the end of the year, you do your Schedule C, and then you do all that expenses. You show all that expenses and put your net income way lower than the gross income. So the 1099 program, it ignores all that. So in Schedule C, let's say if you have $100,000 gross income, the $100,000 1099, and if you have $60,000 expenses, so your net income is $40,000. That's the regular way to go with any lender. They'll take your $40,000 income only. But in 1099 program, if you're getting a gross $100,000 from whatever source you're getting, here you go. That's your income. So 100,000 is your income. That's what we're gonna give. There are a few exceptions to that though. Your credit score has to be perfect. There is no exception to that rule. And but in this program, the few things are good, that you can go up to 95%. So if you have a 700 or plus credit score, we can give you up to 95% of the loan with only 5% down. And there's no mortgage insurance, so there's no private mortgage insurance. This is another good thing. Interest rates a little bit higher. You come down on a loan to value ratio. Let's say if you come down to 80% and you 700 credit, you can get like mid 5s of the interest rate. So this is a good program for the people who wants to get the home or a rental property but cannot show their income. Great program. And our second program is here, the exception is 80%. You cannot get more than 80% of the loan. So in order to get a better pricing with that lender, you have to put 25% down. So 75% LTV with the good with the good interest rate, a little bit less expensive if you put 25% down. So, and that's also for the credit score, it has to be over 680. So there's no exception there. Our third program is the bank statement program. So this is a great option if you're self-employed. You are getting income, and All we need is your 12 months personal bank statement or 24 months business bank statements. If you're giving a business bank statements, we also need a profit and loss. But a lot of people are going through just a personal bank statement. Good thing that you can get the loan, in 660 credit score. And you can also get up to 95% with the 660 credit scores. This is a really good program, but we need to see what is your income. So if you are in the category of those self-employed people who cannot show their income or who are not showing their income for the last 2 years, but they still have the income, you can now get qualified. But due to that ATR rule, we still have to make sure that you have ability to repay. So give us a call or go to our website to know more about that. The website address is down there. It's jpmortgagerealty.com, or you can also call us at 916-778-0808.